G'day YouTube, Turbo Tristan here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can win yourself a Max Peating Rods, set of coilovers, or a GT45 Turbo. All right, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, I filmed a video with my good friend REXH. He was over and I got the good news from my friends at Max Peating Rods that they wanted to do another giveaway. This one is really simple. To win yourself a set of coilovers for a Honda Civic or a GT45 Turbo, which is rated at over 600 horsepower. It's a big boy, it's a monster, but you get to choose. So what you need to do to win this is comment below on this video. Make sure you like it, comment that you are subscribed, and you also have the bell notifications on. Comment below which part you want, but you got to do it very specifically. For the last year and a half, I've been working with Max Peating Rods. They've done heaps of stuff. We've done heaps of development. I've given them information, feedback, all sorts of stuff on their turbos, on their coilovers. I'm going to be running their rods in my newest build as well, which is what they're famous for. We're going to run the traction bar on the ED Civic. We'll be running their parts as well on my EK Civic. So heaps and heaps of their stuff. We put it to use. We've done a whole build where we used every single one of Max Peating Rod's parts. I use their brakes on my car, all sorts of stuff. And I've been working with my contact over there. Her name is MACY. MACY's actually resigned from Max Peating Rods. She finishes in just over 1 week. And she reached out and said, I'm leaving. Before I go, I want to do a giveaway for all of your subscribers. She's a big supporter of the channel and many other YouTubers out there. So she said, Tristan, I want to help you out. I'm heading off to bigger and better things in the future. Before I go, how about we do a giveaway for your subscribers? And I said, sure, whatever you have to offer. She said, how about a set of coilovers? And I was like, we've done coilovers a fair bit. Too many coilovers. She said, well, we've also got a GT45 Turbo. Now this is open to Australian and American viewers. Sorry to all of the other countries that watch and follow the channel. This is just how it works. We can't send to everywhere at the moment. It's just not in our budget. But what you have to do is comment below. Macy, can I please have either a turbo or coilover? So whatever you want, right? Macy, please send me a GT45 Turbo, or Macy, please send me some coilovers for my Honda Civic. What we're going to do in about 1 week's time is I'll be with REXH. He's going to share this out to his subscribers as well, just to help everyone out. Helps me out, helps him out, helps Max Peating Rods out. So we'll share it to everyone, and what we'll do is, so you'll have to, if you're watching REXH's people, comment below in this post. Macy, please send me a GT45 or a set of coilovers for my Civic. And then we'll do the random comment generator thing. Rex is all over that. We'll get him to organize it because he knows what app and website to use. And we'll pick one person, one comment. If you're in Australia or America, we will liaise with Max Peating Rods and they'll send it directly to you. Absolutely no charge. Free, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to do anything besides be subscribed, have your bell notifications on, and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. Thanks so much to Max Peating Rods, for being a sponsor of the channel. I look forward to working with you guys for a long time in the future, and we'll continue to get better together. And Macy, wish you all the best in your future. I wish you all the success in the world. I hope you do really well with yourself. So take care. It's been great working with you. All the best for the rest of your life. Everyone else, comment below. Macy, please send me a GT45, or Macy, please send me some coilovers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to spool up, and we'll see you in the next video.